Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little get ready with me for nothing. Since we're all pretty much in quarantine by now or lockdown, I figured it would be fun to maybe do like a little fun pajama party style makeup look for just chilling on the couch, maybe drinking a glass of wine with your family. And for me, my daughter is heading to bed, and me and my husband are going to watch some movies together. And I thought it would be cute to get a little dolled up, since I've literally been wearing no makeup and pajamas, just changing from pajama to pajama for about 9 days now. I have been in self quarantine slash social distancing mode since last Saturday. I went to the grocery store for 20 minutes to grab things that were essential. I didn't, go and hoard a bunch of stuff. I just grabbed what we needed, and I came home, and I have not left the house since. My daughter hasn't left since she got home from school that Friday. So she's actually been, I think maybe it's been 8 days for me. Yeah, it's been 8 days for me and 9 days since she's left the house. Unfortunately, my husband still has to work because he works in a food production factory, and so they are essential and they're still running. So it's a good thing and a bad thing. It's nice that, he's still able to go and earn money to help our family, but also at the same time I'm really scared that he's gonna bring something home with him, but they are taking extreme precautions, and they're checking temperatures and stuff of people when they come in, so that makes me feel a little bit better. I really want to know what everybody else is doing though. Are you keeping busy? Have you started any new hobbies? Is there a good show that you're binging? Let me know down in the comments. I want to know what you guys are up to. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get this look. And if you have any questions about any of the products that I use too, just leave me a comment and I'll answer as soon as I can. So I'm going to get straight to it. Okay, so I am starting with a clean face, and I've already done my eyebrows, and I have put some powder and concealer, a little tiny bit of foundation on my face, nothing too crazy. Just gonna wash it off in a couple hours anyway, just trying to do something a little fun. I'm just gonna put some of my, this is my NYX regular skin color eyelid primer. Just gonna put a little bit of that on, make a good base for just a little bit of eyeshadow. Next I'm gonna take my Tarte High Performance Naturals BU Naturally palette that I got in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and smells like chocolate. So I'm gonna take the shade Explore. I'm gonna put it into my crease. I'm going to do the same thing, same color under my eye. Then I'm going to find a cleaner brush, a clean brush, and kind of just smooth it all out. I'm just going to go back in on this side and even it out a little bit. It doesn't look even with the other side. I love that this palette smells like chocolate. It just makes me really want chocolate. Oh, I've been using the M330, and this is a non-numbered one from a collection from Morphe. I'm using this one just to blend everything out. You want to blend it to where you're blending it into your foundation at your eyebrow and out here, to where it just kind of blends seamlessly. Okay. Now that I've blended that, I'm going to take just a little bit of my NYX eyeshadow base again, I'm just gonna pop it right here. To put some kind of shimmer down. I wanted a more of a pinky tone to match my jammies. So I'm gonna go in with, I'm not sure, this is kind of confusing, but I think this is dusk. It's like a rose gold color. I go in with a Luxie 239 Precision Shader. I like this one because it is like a nice flat kind of brush, and it's good for packing, in my opinion. So I'm just going to take that shade and put it in the center of my lid and kind of blend it out to the darker color. Then I'm going to take my smaller blender brush from my purple collection from Morphe, and I'm going to take this darker shade right here. I'm guessing that this is Explorer, I want to say. I think I had them backwards. My first shade that I use for the transition is Daybreak, and then this is Explorer, I think. I could have that backwards again though. I'm just going to use that to darken up this outer corner just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my M330 Morphe and try to blend that into my crease a little bit better. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. I like this palette a lot. It's very neutral, and it's a good summer palette. Very bronzy. I'm also going to take that darker color, this one right here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of it under here, closer to my lash line. And then I always go back in. This is the M330 again. Blend it together with that transition shade really well. This is one of my favorite brushes here. This is a Luxie brush, but honestly I've had this for so long that the numbers have faded away. But I'm going to take the fluffy end, looks like this, and I'm going to take the shimmer shade in this palette, which I believe is Crystallized or Tropical, one of those. It's a very nice shimmery color, perfect for a highlight, and I'm going to take it into the inner corner. Ooh, yeah, that looks really nice. Take that into the inner corner there. See, I really like it when you can get a palette and you can do a whole eye look with it, that you don't have to use any other eyeshadows. I have a couple of palettes that don't have like a nice highlight shimmer light color to use in your inner corner and up in the brow bone, and it just makes it a pain in the butt. You always have to have a second palette handy. But this is perfect. This has everything you need. It's very neutral, very classic. Okay, now I'm going to take my NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. Okay, once I have my eyeliner on, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in the shade Mystic Black. I'm going to put that on. Okay, while I'm waiting for my mascara to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little tiny bit of bronzer on. I'm gonna use my go-to at the moment, Beauty Basics. It's just a little bronzer that has like a rosy gold tone and like 2 bronzy tones in there. And I'm also gonna take my Alamar bronzer brush for this. I'm just gonna put just a little bit right up here. Next, I'm going to take my Luxie 514 blush brush and use my NYX Sweet Cheeks Match in the shade Rose and Play blush. I'm just going to put just a little bit right here on the apples of my cheeks and try to blend that back towards my bronzer. Just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take my big Real Techniques powder brush, and I love this thing. It's so big and soft and fluffy. And I blend everything together. I'm going to take my Real Techniques fan brush and just a little bit of highlighter. I think I'm going to use this really cute champagne-y color out of my Luscious face contour kit. It's the highlighter color in here, and just put that there, my Cupid's bow, a little bit there, up the cheekbone, around the eye, there we go. And then if you don't want it to be too harsh, just grab a big fluffy brush and blend it out a little bit so it's not so crazy. Next, I'm going to take my eyelashes. It's my favorite part. These are the new Ardell Naked Lashes. This is the packaging. These in particular are the 424 lashes. I like them. They look super natural. Like if you naturally had really amazing lashes. I imagine this is what they would look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Duo Strip Lash Glue. Just put a nice line of glue on the band, actually on the non-band, because this doesn't actually have a band. They are, well, it does. They call it the Invisiband. So, and once you get the lash glue on there, you just gotta let it dry for a minute or so. I'm really excited because after this, I'm gonna put on my new vintage lip gloss by Jessica Lebeskin. I still can't say it, but it matches my pajamas perfectly, and I'm super excited about that. So, okay, I think this is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on over my lashes. Make sure that it's attached to everything. Just wanna hold it down for a second. Make sure it's in a good position. Okay. I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna Do the same thing with the other one. Just take my Duo eyelash glue, run it across the Invisiband. Wait for it to dry. Drink some Moscato. Okay. So now that I got both my lashes on, I'm going to go back over my lash line with my Epic Ink liner just to make sure that you can't see any of the band. You don't have to do this step. This is just a personal preference. I know a lot of people don't do that. I just really don't like to see the band, and it really bothers me. So I just like to make sure you can't see it. Like, what's the point of wearing lashes if you're gonna make it super obvious, right? Okay, so now I just am going to take my beautiful Barbie looking lip gloss. This is the shade Pink Sequin from Jessica Lifeskin. I'm just gonna this is just gonna end up all over my wine glass and probably all over my husband, but it's super pretty. This is really nice lip gloss too. This is the look, guys. Thank you so much for following along with me and watching me get ready for a nice night on the couch. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below. I hope you guys are enjoying some quality time with your family, and I hope you're staying healthy. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.